Hi, my name is Kelly, and I am so excited to be back with you again, teaching you how to use my favorite tool, the iBloom Planner, to plan for a successful life. This is the planner that helps you bridge life and business, or maybe ministry, nonprofit, all the things in your life so that you can live your one and only life with purpose. Today, we're going to talk about how to plan for a successful day. However, there are two videos prior to this: how to plan for a successful month and how to plan for a successful week. And you're going to want to make sure that you go back to those videos because they are key for planning for a successful day. But today, in our planner, we have our weekly at-a-glance look. So in the last video, I taught you how I plan for a week. However, I don't know about your life, but I can't plan for a picture-perfect week and expect it to go that way. It requires a little bit of daily planning. And so you could do this at the end of a night and set yourself up for success the next day. I personally like to do it in my morning time with God because I'm often using that time to ask Him, what is the best use of my time and energy today? And sometimes He just totally scraps my whole plan and I have to look at it a little bit different. But the idea is making sure that we're using our time intentionally. And so as you're having your time with God each day, ask Him, what is going to be the best use of your time and energy that particular day? You can also use that time to pray about the specific things that are on your list. You're probably already going to have some appointments that are scheduled. So use that time to really seek Him, to ask Him, how can you give your best? What are words that you need to speak? Who are people that you need to reach out to? How can you encourage someone? And so then when we're sitting down to plan out our day, we're writing in any specific things that He shows us. We might be adding things to our to-do list. We might be basing it on things that have come in, like emails that we've received that we need to follow up with, or specific things. And then in the appointments section, this part is really important because sometimes we think appointments are just appointments that we have with other people. However, appointments are so much more important than that. I like to use time blocking. And basically the idea of this is I am telling my time where to go. And so I'm deciding ahead of time, before the day begins, how am I going to spend my time? If you take those to-do list items, but you don't actually decide when you're going to accomplish them, chances are you're going to have things left undone. And so I like to make appointments with myself. So this might be an appointment of, this is the time I'm going to work out, and it's a non-negotiable. It could be the appointment of, when am I going to have my time with God? It could be the appointment of, when am I going to write that email? Or when am I going to check my inbox? Or when am I going to check social media or do a social media post? All the things in your to-do list, for the most part, should be scheduled in those appointment blocks. And so as you do this, your appointment time is going to look really busy. However, I can almost guarantee that if you do this and you stick to your schedule, you will accomplish far more than you ever have before, because you're telling your time where to go before you actually spend it. This is key to planning for a successful day.